Hello everyone, this is Kevin from Tianjin HOYITE. Let us visit our crimping machine factory. Here is our machine part warehouse. This is the machine's hand. They will install on the machine and install the die space inside it. It's machine's main product. The part is our self-production. Okay, follow me to look at our 6-inch crimping machine. This way please. Look at this our HOYITE 150L crimping machine. Its crimping range from 1/4 to 6 inches, 6 to 150 millimeter. Okay, let us look at the control panel. It includes pressure gauge, open mode, close mode, power indicator, and buzzer, switch, and inching metal magnet. Okay, next step, let us look at electrical contact box. Because the machine can't include any liquid when shipping, we will drain hydraulic oil from machine after finish test. So you should ready hydraulic oil before receive the machine. Look at the hydraulic oil level window. When the hydraulic oil shows at the window middle, it's enough. We must add enough hydraulic oil in the machine. The amount of refilling will depend on the model. Okay, let us look at the hole. We will add hydraulic oil in the machine from here. First, remove the lid. There is a filter. If you add new hydraulic oil, it can be removed. Close the lid when the machine has enough hydraulic oil. Okay, let us look at the motor. The voltage is important for our machine. We have many kinds of voltage for your choose. We must confirm it before order and confirm it again, because the machine won't work if voltage is wrong, and we can't repair it. This way please. These pipes used for wash the oil come out, because the machine's hand with die space should often add liberation oil, so we can take a bolt to link at the pipe end. Okay everyone, let's learn how to produce the machine head. Those are machine semi-finished products. The machine head is the machine's main part. It from ourselves produce. Our machine head make a hole. It used for install locator. Machines all sides must be accurate. We guarantee every step is accurate. This way please, and look at this machine. This is a wire cutting machine. We use it to produce 3 inches super thin crimping machine body. Alright, let's go to next workshop. This is our warehouse for work in progress. Dozens of machines are stored here and ready to be assembled every day. Okay, come on, let's continue. Here is our machine test working shop. Here we test the fully finished machine. Now this machine is our customer's machine. This machine has a fan to cool down hydraulic oil and tank. so this machine is suitable for longer working time. It has strong machine head and for bigger size and stronger crimping pressure. Our machine head is normal black color. If you would like orange or other color, accept the customer other colors. Okay, let us look at its machine head thing is bigger. Our machine has different color for your choice. For example, blue color, black color, gray color, red color, and yellow color for your choice. Blue is the normal and the default color. If you want customers' other color, please contact to us and talk it. We will show its picture for your reference. We support not only color customization, but also breed different crimping range and crimping kinds actively. This is our hot cell mode HOYITE 68. Let me introduce the dies for you. It includes 10 set size, 8 pieces each set. 10 set size crimping range from 1/4 to 2 inches. Size number is 15, 19, 23, 26, 31, 36, 41, 47, 55, and 63. It shows 2 numbers each piece's dies. First number is die number. Second number is the serial number. When we finish work, we should put the dies back on the rack and push it into the machine. Done. Alright, let us look at our install machine workshop. This is our 3-inch super thin crimping machine. It advanced is better friendly operation CNC system. Those are different machines parts. This is machine motor. Right now, let us check our package, wooden case. Our machine all is packaged in accordance with international shipping standards. That's all. Thanks for your visiting. If you have any question or inquiry, contact us please.